Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial session in LaTeX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert numbered equations like these in LaTeX. That's what we are going to do. And so what I want you to do is to follow this tutorial, and once you are done, you can now apply the same procedure to insert your own equations in your LaTeX documents. So let's get started. So I'll first go to my LaTeX environment. There's my text editor, that's the text studio. So I'll open a new file. And by the way, you can also run LaTeX online. So I have a tutorial that shows how to do that. Check the description box, you'll find a link to that video. And if you're a beginner, I will encourage you to watch my introductory video on LaTeX. That will help you get started. All right, so I'll open a new file. And I'm going to save it first. So I'll just go to File. And go to Save As. And I'm going to save it. So this is, let's say, numbered equations. That's how I'm going to save the file. All right. Now let's get started. So first of all, let's just prepare the document. So we say /documents class. I'll use a font size of 10 as article. All right. And then because this is going to be mathematics based, I'll use the package called AmSmart. So I'll say /use package AmSmart. Then /begin document /end. All right. So this is the basic you need to get your documents up and running. Okay. I'll save it, by the way. Okay. Now let's get back to our equations. So I have two equations here, 1 and 2. You can add more equations. Let's start with these two. Now, if you want to insert numbered equations in LaTeX, then you need the equation environment. So how do you do that? You just say /begin curly bracket and you say equation. And then you just say /end equation, and then in between you put in the equation. So this allows LaTeX to automatically number the equations for you. All right, so let's start with the first one here, and that is, let's just check it again. That is 2x plus y equals 20. All right, so in between this you just say 2x plus y equals 20. Now, take note that when you use the equation environment, math mode is automatically enabled. And that is why I did not start and end my document with a dollar symbol like this, or double dollar symbol for some situations or some environments. So math mode is automatically enabled, so you don't need to put in the dollar symbol. So this becomes the equation. So let's run this. I have to build and view it here. All right, so this becomes the equation. I can zoom in a bit. I can even do it here on the right side just to zoom in for us to see. So this is the equation. All right, it's nicely done. Okay, all right. So this is what the equation. Now, if you go to the right hand side, you see the number there. So this is equation 1. Now, in the example document here, we have two equations. So we need to add a second one. So in the second one, you have to bring another /begin equation, and then /end equation. Then inside that block, you put in the second equation, which is 3x plus y equals 30. Now let's run it, and then you will see that the second equation has also been indicated nicely. So we have two equations. If you have a third equation, just bring it down here, and then you bring it below here, and then that will also be done for you. You bring it here, begin equation, end equation. Okay, you can also do it that way. All right, Now, if you look at what we have here, let me just let's just do it again. Yeah, good. Now, if you look at what we have here, for each equation, we need to enable an equation environment and then put in our equation. Now, if we have several equations, then there is a better alternative. All right. Now, you should also take note that with the equations that you insert or you enter, they are also aligned. Here, it's centered. All right. Now, let's just say you still want the centered equation, the numbered equation, and you have several equations. Then one approach to this is to rather use the gather approach. Okay, that one allows you to place several equations into a block. All right, so let's look at how we are going to do that with the gather approach. I think what I will do rather is to put that one here. Let's see. You can use this. You say /begin and you say gather. So here you are putting several equations into one block. All right. And then you add your end gather. So here, let's say equation 1, let's say 2x plus y equals 20. We'll just put that one there again. Let's say 3x plus y equals 30. I think here I'll just put in this, let's see. I'll just put something like this. That's fine, I think. For comments, so other approach. Yeah, you can also put a subsection there just to do it, but this one is what I want. So with this one, it doesn't matter. You can put 10 equations, 20. It will do everything for you. Let's just say a plus b. A plus b equals 14, another equation. Now let's run this. There shouldn't be any space here, so I'll just do it again. Yeah. Now if we use the gather and you have several equations, if you just do it like this, this is what will come. It will just bundle everything together. But because we want the separation, for each line where another equation follows, you have to put our slash. Okay, double slash, and here you do the same. Now I'll just go over again, just for us to understand it. With the gather approach, if let's say you have 3 equations, or let's say 2, for example, like this one's here. So it's 2x plus y equals 20. All right. Now let's run this. This for the gather. Good. Here's what you are going to get. It's also centered. This one here. Now it's giving it to us as equation 3 because we have other equations. All right. Now, if you have another equation in the gather here, because with the equation environment, it's just one equation per environment, line breaks are automatic. But here, you are bringing several equations together, so there should still be a way to separate the different equations. So if there's going to be another equation, you bring your space, you add a double slash. Then in the next line, you put in your next equation. So in this case, it becomes 3x plus y equals 30. We can put in any other equation as well. Now let's run it. If you run it, you see how it comes. It's also separated and given a number automatically. All right. If there's going to be another equation, space slash, and you bring your third equation, let's just say a plus b equals, let's say, 15. Now let's run it. Then another line will be inserted and another equation will be given. So this becomes what? Your numbered equations. All right, so this is how we insert numbered equations in LaTeX. Now, what we have here, this is what center. Sometimes you may want to align it better. All right, so for example, this gather approach, let me just show something here. I'll just use that to explain some things for you as well. Let's just add a fourth equation here. Let's see, plus C, something like this. Let's run it. I have to bring my slash here. All right. Okay. Now, with something like this, what you need to do is to use the align approach, which I'm going to show in another video, by the way. Okay, so just take note of that. So for now, this is just for the centering. All right, now let's remove it and then let's get back to our normal one. Like this. This one is fine. Okay, so this one works if the equations are all kind of similar arrangement and length. But then if you are going to have, for some equation, there's going to be a slight variation where you now need to align your equations. Then there are videos that you need to watch. And so what I want you to do is that I want you to watch this next video here that shows you how to align numbered equations.